am back for a special video with my first budgeting client. I love to talk all things budget, travel, health, and love. So if that's something you're interested in, then feel free to tune in. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, show your girls some love, and turn those notifications on. Well, let's get into today's video. Our special guest is going to be easy for you guys to remember because her name is Rochelle too, y'all. This is my boo, and I just wanted to bring her to you guys because I am so excited for what we are doing today. So say hi to the people, girl.
Hi, everybody. I'm so happy to be here, and Rochelle is the best. I'm so excited.
Thank you so much, Shelly. I am glad to share this cash envelope / budgeting video with you. Rochelle is my first budgeting client, and she has graciously agreed to join Micah and I in our budgeting video today. So thanks again for joining. And before we begin, I just want to start off by asking you, Shelly, what inspired you to make the move to get on the road to debt freedom and change everything about your budget and trust us with it?
Well, the first thing is that I really started to understand, especially after talking with you and Micah, that financial understanding, clarity, all of that isn't something that I was taught and isn't something that comes natural to me, my family, and most of my friends.
So when you guys would talk to me about Dave Ramsey and Money Makeover, and
I would hear the things you were saying, and I'm like, I don't know what to do with money. You know, realizing that, okay, I really want to take this seriously, and to know that it's actually possible to get rid of your debt.
That part.
I wasn't a believer before. As I started changing very small things, I don't want to have to pay anybody but myself.
That part. Thank you so much for letting us know why you here, girl. So first up, we are going to talk about your budget because cash envelopes is the funnest part of doing budgets, but we have to start with the groundwork. We have to start with the gritty, grimy, dirty stuff. So let's get into your personal budget now. As much as you feel comfortable sharing, what are some of the top things you're going to be focused on for your June budget?
So for June, I would like to get rid of one of my credit cards, one of my store credit cards.
Okay.
There's only like...
Let me log in real quick. I think there's less than $300 left.
Okay,
And
that's good.
And just take your time and look that up. And while you talk, I will catch everybody up as to what we're doing. So right now we are doing a live budget consult for you guys. This is unscripted. This is just for you to get a bird's eye view of the services that I am now offering. The link will be in the description if you want to learn more. But what I'm doing is just trying to share my knowledge. I'm not a professional in any way, but my husband and I have learned so much over the past 10 years, and our budgeting experience has taught us so much. And so we want to share this knowledge with you guys. So feel free to watch any of my previous budgeting videos to catch up and see how we follow a zero-based budget. Of course, with the Dave Ramsey plan, but also how we have molded that plan to work for us. If there's any questions you have, feel free to comment below or leave a comment or a DM on my Instagram, same handle, healthybudgettravellove. Actually, my Instagram handle is now Rochelle Adamson YT. I just changed it to make it easier to find me on the gram and on YouTube. So let's get back to Shelly so she can give us some more real numbers. So goal number 1 is to pay off a credit card.
Yes, and I'm going to have to modify that because
what's remaining on this credit card is
$418, and I don't know if I'm ready to commit to paying off the full $418. So let's say I want to pay half of that.
Okay. That's reasonable, and that's one of my first rules when I'm talking to my friends / family / clients is that I always recommend that you find something that you're comfortable doing. So goal number 1 is to pay off at least half of Shelly's credit card for the month of June. Now, Shelly, anything else you have your eyes set on for the month of June? Of course, we want to pay all our bills timely.
Paying extra on the cell phone bill.
I like that. Pay extra on the phone bill. Mike is recording all this juiciness.
What about, I don't know if that's it for let's talk about long-term budget goals. Anything long-term that you want to add into your budget as we create it?
Yeah. So step number 1, we can give you guys a check. Step number 2 is to pay off all debts except for the mortgage, and that's where we are right now. So Shelly, you guys are baby step number 2. How does it feel?
It feels good, but it's still very nerve-wracking because the student loans are like very overwhelming and they give me nausea. So I have all of them on forbearance, but I know that if I really want that true freedom that I have to start paying on it. Yeah, so right now we're really focusing on credit cards. Our total right now is about $6,000.
Okay.
And credit card debt.
And last but not least, set of grocery bills. So what do you guys think as far as eating out / grocery money? What's your goal?
So what we've been doing is putting $100 towards groceries every week.
But I know that the issue with that is that I'm not using that full, like I'm buying the groceries, but then I eat out. So I know that my money towards food is more than the $400. So I don't think that we're sticking to the budget the way we think we are.
Do you track how much money you spend while you're eating out?
We did the first go round and we saw how much it was, and it was very, very disgusting.
Yeah, that's where we felt. That was us.
Very
June,
disgusting.
Your homework is to track how much you spend eating out.
It's another way to help me budget, because you can write everything down, but I feel like if I don't have the money, then I'm done.
Can't do it. The end. And I think this is a great place to segue into the cash envelope. So first off, show us those cute cash envelopes and let us know where you got them from.
So I got these
from Happily Ever Plans. And they're so cute. I love black and gold. My purse is black and gold. My wallet is black and gold. So I thought those would be perfect. And then they come with the information where you can put down how much you put in, when you took it out, and the date. And I'm going to make some copies of these so that I can keep going. So I have some on this side and then some on this side. This will be the side I frequent more with all my credit cards, and this will be the just forget about it, don't open that side.
Love it. Well, let's get started stuffing these bad boys. First, let us know what the categories are.
So categories is spending, coffee, vacation,
which I know I'm gonna need. This will probably go on the not right now side, so this will probably get like the $5, the singles. This will probably get the little money. We'll probably do a test run of a vacation by the end of this year, like a little small something.
Yes.
Sterilize the room.
That's right.
The beach nearby, but we only go out first thing in the morning or last thing at night kind of thing.
Yes.
So we'll pull this up slowly.
I love it.
Still got it because this is, because we travel together. This is a big part of our life that we want back. So I still had to get
writing that down. And just a quick plug, actuallytravels.com is here to service your vacationing needs. Hit us up.
And let's talk about that real quick. You did our anniversary trip to Cancun and it was flawless. So very pleased.
Thank you.
We had a hot tub jacuzzi on the balcony. It was everything. The other categories is gas, groceries, and then beauty. Then I have another category I'm not going to share. The main problem is I like to get my coffee in the morning, and then I need spending money for my food / I ran into Target because I needed something real quick. Gas and groceries. And I don't want those to touch. I don't want my spending money to touch.
So how much money are you stuffing your cash envelopes with today?
So we had $400 was the original plan. But then a coworker gave me cash for the lunch I bought him. So then I ended up with more cash.
Okay, count that up.
$15. So $4.15, which is surprisingly, I could just put all of this on my credit card and be done, but we're not going to jump the gun.
We're not going to jump. So Micah is going to input his theory here of what we should do with this money.
Okay.
Well, it would be nice to pay off the credit card.
It would.
It would. So that would go, I guess, into when we really get into breaking down your debt. There's only so much we can do on video, but that would go really into breaking down your budget for short-term goals, long-term goals.
I think for people who are spenders, starting out with cash envelopes and money in hand is the best way to start. I know everybody wants to jump to debt, especially, when we talk about how important it is to pay off debt, but you also have to have a plan in place. Otherwise, you're planning to fail. So,
yeah, I think I really want to work on the behaviors first.
Yes. Especially now, that could be different for each person. Like, say if Micah was our client, I would not focus on that because this man will live off of whatever he got in the fridge. He will just make it work. He'll eat beans or whatever. But me and you, we know that we're naturally spenders. And so we need to have money.
But I've gotten back to the swiping. And the other killer, too, is that darn Apple Pay. If you have an app and Apple Pay, you can get food in 2 seconds without even touching your card. So then you think you're doing like money. You're doing the math in your head. Like, you're like, oh, so that was just $10 minus the last balance I had. And then you add it up and you're like, how did I spend $400 on fast food?
Yeah. Yep.
I need to start doing the cash. And although I love the rewards from all the apps, it's not worth it.
All right, girl, go ahead. Which category do you want to fill first?
So I think I want to put all of the small bills into the other the categories where we're just putting like little dollars and change for it to add up. I think that would be a great start. So it's $15.
Okay.
And I think we'll put $5 in the unknown category. I think, this kind of works out perfectly. Everybody gets 5. Does that sound good? 5.
That sounds really good.
5 for beauty.
So this is beauty. And it has $5 in it. This got the singles.
Okay.
And our card is filled out. I did +5 in the date.
Perfect.
Okay, so here Shelly is showing us her vacation cash envelope. Now, Shelly is showing us her budget life win. She actually won a Michael Kors backpack from her job. We call that #budgetlife. $100 for groceries. Next up is gas, and she's putting $120. So that's enough for her to fill up twice for the month. Go, Shelly. I wish I could have given y'all some cash ASMR for this scene here, but my sound isn't working. $40 for her coffee. $140 for spending. Log those receipts into Fetch Rewards or Ibotta, y'all, and get you some cash back. My links are in the description below for a referral, y'all. Special thanks to Shelly for being our special guest for today. I enjoyed spending time with you and working on your budget and making a plan for your cash. I can't wait to connect with you in the future, girl, to see how your budget is going. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate the support. It helps me stay motivated to bring you more quality content while becoming debt-free. I hope you all stay safe, and I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Peace.